Welcome to Get Mojo, where we do the research so you don't have to. In this video, we're taking a look at the Dremel PawControl dog nail grinder and trimmer and telling you 5 things you should know before buying. It can be difficult to navigate the pet grooming world with so many different types of gadgets and thingamabobs available. And if you've been in the market for a dog nail grinder, the Dremel PawControl model will no doubt be on your radar. So, what is there to know? Well, we're about to find out. Let's go. It's a great alternative to clippers and files. Nail grinders ultimately give you the same result as a pair of clippers or a nail file, as they help you shorten and neaten your dog's nails. However, grinders give you more finesse over the process and allow you to achieve better shaping overall. They're also gentler on your pet's nails as they work to smoothly grind away the nail instead of urgently clipping and cutting. And for bigger dogs with thicker nails, a grinder will give you the necessary power to actually wear them down. Of course, aside from dog grooming, you can effectively use this grinder for other DIY tasks too. It's cordless and quiet. An electrical device being cordless is a bit of a given nowadays, but when it comes to grooming pets, being cordless is absolutely essential. As well as avoiding any annoying trailing wires, which will likely distract your pet, being cordless gives you extra flexibility and the ability to work in and around your dog's paws unperturbed. But arguably, best of all is just how quiet this thing is, with its near-silent operation helping calm anxious pets during operation. It offers 4 grinding speeds, with speeds ranging from 8,000 RPM all the way up to 25,000 RPM. The Dremel PawControl has 4 different speeds to help you get even the toughest of jobs and nails done. Realistically, you probably won't need to go beyond the second speed setting, but having the freedom to do so is a nice option. Also, we like how secure the variable speed switch is on this model, with no chance of accidentally knocking it and changing speed during use. It's rechargeable. As well as being cordless, the Dremel PawControl is also rechargeable, running off a lithium-ion battery, eliminating the need to swap out disposable batteries. A full charge will take around 3 hours. It comes via USB cable, and for added convenience, there's a battery life LED indicator. The lithium-ion battery does make it a little heavier than other nail clippers out there, but consumers say that this actually helps make it better balanced and easier to maneuver. It comes with different novice and pro attachments. Regardless of how good this grinder might be, the process of grooming can still be intimidating. But thankfully, for nervous or novice users, the PawControl model comes with a nail guard attachment and can help control how you grind your dog's nails. You also get various different sanding and polishing attachments, some for those pet owners just starting out, and some for more advanced groomers. We also like the quick twist mechanism that lets you change attachments in a matter of seconds. So what do you think of the Dremel PawControl nail grinder and trimmer? Are you going to take the plunge and treat your doggy to some pampering? Stay tuned to Get Mojo for the most complete video product reviews.